When the miners came out from Burra, they came from Scotland, England, Wales, Cornwall, Ireland and Germany. So for this house concert, Emlyn and I thought we could present a song from each place. I found this awesome Cornish folk song, Rare, Nobody Dies, woohoo, ends happily. It features a bird, which is always a good sign in a folk song, and a hoary young man and a young woman trying to retain her virtue. And the solution is that they get married and live happily ever after. So this is the verse where she sings. If you want it, then you should have put a ring on it. Pray let me alone, I have hands of my own, along with you, sir, I'll not go. For to hear the tale of the sweet nightingale as she sings in the valley below, as she sings in the valley below.